trees, California. And over there, Uncle Don's Hobbies.
Go check it out.
Hi, Jem.
Hi.
Hey, we're gonna go check out a new hobby store.
I love new toys.
We might as well while we're here, huh? Let's do it. Filming with an iPhone today. The ultimate transportation video camera. Nice and light.
Mobile filming device.
Uncle Don's. Consignments welcome. Look at everything in the window. Cool.
I want to play.
Go ahead. Here, oh, hold on. Let me do this for you.
Oh, that's very sweet.
Dun 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 dun. After you, darling. Whoa. Wow. Look at the size of this giant plane. Whoa. Super gliders. Whoa. Huge plane section.
Wow.
Wow. Check it out. I guess they must do plane repairs, question mark? What do you see? What do you see?
Just the tracks.
Oh, the train tracks. Suspended trains.
Check out yesterday's video.
Yeah, I guess, eh? Dun 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 dun.
You've never seen this one before?
No, I haven't seen this before either. That's what I like about visiting new hobby shops, eh? New products.
New stuff all the time.
Especially when you're in a different country. Wow, look at the radio selection. Stunning.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, that's the new series, the black ones from Spectrum up there.
And then Futaba on the second level.
Futaba. Gorgeous. Whole bunch of radios off to the side. Yeah, the DX6. Right on. Everybody needs a good camera, or not a camera case, but a radio case.
Agreed, you use yours like crazy.
I do, all the time. Blade helicopters. Look at that.
Neat.
Oh yeah, we had this actually. We had a
I know,
Corsair.
I love the photo of it. It's
I love the pontoons on the bottom.
Yeah, that's what actually kind of what I was pointing at.
Neat. There's the box for the rare bear. Maybe that's why we hadn't seen it, is because it's rare. Oh yeah, the Proto X. Boy, quads sure have come a long way.
They really have.
Dun 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 dun. Super neat.
Mild to wild maneuvers.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like me.
The Flying Fortress. What a neat looking bird. They have two of them. Oh, there's the old T-28 Trojan. They used to have that in a much larger size, but it was replaced. Super Cub floats. We have some of those.
Yes, we do.
Oh wow, look at that. Dun, 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 dun.
This is a great airplane section.
It sure is.
47, the Thunderbolt, with the flaps and the retracts at the same price and everything like that.
Chad,
So.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man, we've been
How's it
down
going?
here. We had to come check out your store and show everybody what you have down here. What's your address, man? Do you know the address to the store?
Oh man,
I put you on the spot,
you
eh?
did.
I'll have to get a card and I'll show them
I think
before
it's
I leave.
43250.
Yeah.
Town Center Way.
Awesome, buddy.
That's
I'll put
Good
something
guess.
in. I'll put something in the video description box for everybody.
Yeah.
Do you repair planes back here?
Oh yes.
You do repairs for
Yep,
folks.
Repair planes, helicopters, quadcopters, cars, everything.
Super
Really?
cool,
Great.
man. Really awesome.
Yep. I'm more the quadcopter guy. I focus on all the quads and everything. I do a lot of custom builds for people.
Do you?
Customers and everything.
So if people
But we do have
request
a
it,
lot of that. Oh yeah.
nice.
Yeah, I do camera ship builds. We got a couple of the hexacopters up there right now, the DJI stuff. But
Wow, what an awesome store.
Are you painted in-house or?
Is
someone yeah, one of our employees does them.
Wow.
so he
And then we
paints
have another guy
himself?
that does them locally as well. Yeah. Paints them for
Nice.
people.
Such a huge selection, my friend.
There's a track over behind Target.
There is a track.
Racetrack, yeah. So
Right on.
we get a lot of the RC cars from that business.
I bet you do. All the parts you can imagine. This is all shock oil right here. If you need shock oil,
Shocking.
shocking.
How much shock oil they have.
If you need, so here, people always ask us about flying and if they should start flying. And what do we always say?
I have to use this because I'm a terrible flyer. I can take off, but landing is tough. This is perfect. This has totally helped me out.
You can crash 1,000 times on something like this and never have to worry about breaking your plane at all.
It's like a video game. It's perfect.
Oh, Jem's taking off. Oh, I see. Double flight or double view. Nice. Oh, see, there. Didn't cost you a thing.
No, it didn't actually. Cheapest flight ever.
Super neat. Wow. Flying a quad right inside. Chad piloting. What? Look how colorful it is. Cool. Wow.
Good job.
Yeah, super control. Nice job. Very neat. Which one is this?
That's the ominous.
The ominous.
Yeah, $79.99, and they say it's indestructible.
Oh wow.
That seems like a challenge.
Right? And the entire frame is like $2. Gears, motors, everything like that. You're only looking at $2-3 here and there.
Very
Not that bad.
cool. Not like
And
this.
then they got this one's $79. This one's $199.
And the difference?
This one has a Wi-Fi camera,
Ah.
so it sends the video feedback to your phone.
Okay.
It mounts on the controller.
Smartphone. Nice. Comes with the mount too?
Yep.
Very neat.
Yep.
And what is this the controller for?
That's this little guy.
The little
it is.
tiny ones.
Oh, no way. It's very Xbox-esque.
Right? Yeah.
How long do batteries
Yeah,
last on
PlayStation
something like that?
style, you know. The little guys, you're only looking about 5 minutes, maybe a little bit more if you're going slow. These guys here use a little bit larger battery. You can get about 15 out of this one.
Okay.
The extra weight on this one, you're only going to get about 8 to 10 minutes.
You gotta show me you flying that again.
Yeah,
Can you do that? That was really cool. It looks like he's done it before.
Yeah, at least once.
A couple of times.
Yeah.
Well, I was lucky. I called down first, and Chad said, "Come on down and grab some footage." And look at that.
Super cool.
Such a neat machine.
Like
Wow.
it's so fun to watch.
I can't believe how far the hobby has come in quads in the last 2 years.
Oh, yeah. I started building them about 4 years ago with kind of multi-Wii.
Right?
Taking Nintendo Wii controllers apart.
No
and,
way.
Programming them with Arduino chips. And
Yeah.
Wow.
I never could fly it until I actually got a hold of one of these, you know, more or less. That was
Wow.
actually the MQX, the original one.
The downforce of those props, you can feel the prop walk big time.
Oh yeah.
Right over the big plane. Cool.
I know, and even by the ceiling fan.
Super cool, yeah. I love this hobby. It's just so neat. Great job, man. Look at that, like a pro,
Yeah.
because he is a pro. Yeah, this is a much larger one, much like this one that's being suspended.
Yeah. See, here's one of the ones that I'm actually designing right now.
You're
I'm making
designing.
yeah. I have a 3D printer, so I do a lot of
Yeah.
different designs and stuff.
Great.
This one's going to be a full FPV, the one you wear with your goggles. Something small so you can fly it in a park.
Wow.
Prototyping right now with the 3D printer, and then I'm going to go to carbon fiber, what I'm doing.
Good for you. 3D printing has really changed the game, hasn't
Yeah,
it?
it's awesome.
Oh, man.
Yeah, I build 3D print parts for just about everything.
Yeah,
Really
everybody's starting to jump on 3D printers.
Yeah.
Yep, and cheap. I traded a quadcopter for it, and that's how I got started.
Did ya? Good for
now
you.
I got 3.
Is that a Zephyr behind you?
It's the Team Legit
Okay.
version, the one they make. I
Wow.
just built it for a customer as well.
I noticed. Is it covered in packing tape? Is that what it is?
No, this is the laminate they use.
Okay.
They started
Oh.
using on the flying wings and stuff. It's an iron-on laminate, like
Okay.
it's like your
one piece.
the Monocoat or something.
Yeah.
but it's thicker.
Makes it stronger.
So it's definitely once you.
Yeah.
Before it was kind of floppy. Once
Yeah.
I ironed it on, it's rock solid.
This
Nice.
is really cool.
I know. I'm
looks
gonna
cool.
have to buy it. It's a
Besides,
custom airbrush.
It is a custom. It's gorgeous.
Yeah, Ford Raptor.
They wrapped the Raptor in the Raptor.
I know. Isn't that neat?
It's a Raptor, Raptor.
It's a Raptor wrapped Raptor. Nice.
Okay, say that 4 times fast.
Raptor wrapped Raptor.
Raptor, Raptor.
Can we check out all the electrics they have? They even have hybrids in there.
Well,
Looks
it's
like
California.
a Traxxas Slash body. Mounted up on another. Oh, it looks like they've actually just got him turned around. It's hard to keep up with everything. There's the big Yeti Xl. If you guys haven't seen this in person,
here it is.
It is enormous. Look at that.
Just to put into perspective.
Yeah, one hand, the Yeti XL. Everyone's wondering if I'm going to get one. Probably one day. This would be on my list.
I like the, it already comes with the bodies in there, which is great.
Yeah, big, huge shocks on it.
Decent weight, actually. It's an easy one to lift. It's not too heavy.
They say it can take a beating and keep on going. There is a Losi Nightcrawler. The concise comparison to the Yeti XL is amazing.
Yeah, it's good perspective.
Absolutely, absolutely. And a Lambo. Here is the XO1. This is the XO1. We have one of these.
Yes, the one that goes how fast?
100 miles per hour. Pretty sick.
Yeah.
Well, if you guys are in Palms Desert, if you're in Palm Desert, this is the only hobby store that's within a mile or 1 hour, I think he said. Yeah.
For many miles.
For many, many miles. Look at the train sets going.
Oh yeah, they are.
And a massive airplane. So super cool.
Yeah, this is an eye candy store for sure.
All the tires ready to go. Love the amount of stock they have in here. Clear bodies for you to have fun with. Wow. Well, that'll do it. Had a good walk around. We've seen what's here.
Always support your local hobby shop.
Yeah, always support your local hobby shop.
Cool.
It brings so many smiles. So much fun. Yeah, she's smiling now.
What is this?
Look at that. It's also a quad. Looks like it's protected though, eh?
Yeah, it climbs walls. Wants to drive off the ground.
Oh, gotcha. So it flies and
it's a gyroscope.
Neat. I haven't seen one of them in action. I'm sure eventually we will, though.
We will, for sure.
Die cast. Cool. Look at this neat thing. RC. Toy grade, but still looking so neat. Spider.
Cool.
Yeah, super neat, eh?
I would actually like to try driving one of these in real life too.
This style of car after the twin hammers.
It's really coming out.
Yeah, it's really
seeing it in lots of places.
Anyway, high five.
High five.
Ah!
Oh, wait, that's a terrible high five. Let's do that.
Give me another one. Bam! That's
Bam.
better. I even jiggled the camera for that.
A good camera jiggle means good.
Okay, let's get out of here.
Okay.
We'll buy this and we'll get out of here.
Thanks for coming to Uncle Don's.
Yeah,
It's
everybody,
awesome.
if you're here, come on down, check it out.
Yeah.
Chad, thank you so much for letting us visit, man.
Problem. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, if anybody comes down here, they can look for you, right? You'll help them out?
Of course.
Yeah, that's the way. Cool. See you later, buddy.
Anything but work here.